Today's topic is about cracking of the joints. Now, cracking happens because of three reasons. One, when we press the joint, the pressure inside the joint increases. Because the pressure increases, the gas which is present inside the joint fluid will cause bubbles to come. They're usually either carbon dioxide or nitrogen. And when these bubbles burst, that's where that cracking sound comes. That's the first reason. Second reason, look at my tendons, these structures that move when I move my fingers. If these tendons are inflamed, when they move against the bone, they can cause a snapping sound. So an inflamed tendon can also cause a cracking sound. Third is when the joint is damaged. When the articulating surface of the joint is destroyed, movement of the joint can cause a cracking sound. Now, when is this dangerous? When the cracking sound is associated with pain, redness, and severity of pain. That means there is something wrong inside the joint and you should consult a doctor immediately. Merely cracking your knuckles will not cause any ill effects. Thank you.